guys? I'm at the channel. What we're doing today, I'm actually having fun in the snow with the Roddy, the good old 2001 Tahoe. Now we're not doing anything crazy. We're just gonna be playing around with this little dirt bit. I've actually never driven this truck in the snow. We used to have Blackie, which was our '93 Blazer. That was like the truck I used for off-roading. So this is the first time I ever took this truck off-roading. And also this truck has a little boo-boos on it, so I'm not trying to rev the motor too high up right now until I go through all of its stuff. So some things I should be hitting gas a lot harder on, and some things I should be, shouldn't be, or should, you know, whatever. I wasn't gonna push this truck too hard today. So just enjoy it. We're just drifting around. Try not to hit that shopping cart in the center. Just try to do like figure eights, and you know, sometimes like I should have, if I was using gas more. And also I should have done this. Also I should have locked it into like second gear, or even third, well, in second gear, so that I had 1 RPM. I had to drive, which was also the first mistake. But like I said, I was just kind of playing around with the truck. I wasn't really expecting really be actually doing a lot of this. I just started having fun a little bit. So I was like, a little more. So, other than that, listen guys, I want you to enjoy the video. Leave a like on this video if you enjoy playing in snow. Also comment down below what's your best moments of playing in snow, driving snow, and just crazy stuff you've done in your car, or getting stuck and all that stuff. So I'd love to hear it. Other than that guys, like I said, leave a like, comment, subscribe to this channel, and enjoy the video.